Alright.
We offered there before we started to take the movie, because she has to send it in the and there must be at least one more canoe out here because the kids are not bothering us. I visited with that kid. Is your name John? Is your name John? Yes.
We got John. Oh my God, is that a great shot?
Did they all come out in those two boats?
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. What a shot.
And there's three-legged
Coming into a little inlet here, a little mangrove area. There's a beach up here. We're drifting in. Maybe we'll come up here just to see what's shaking in this area. Nice and quiet here. And looks like we have enough depth for the Zodiac. Beautiful shoreline there. Nice little quiet beach. So, don't see any critters or anything. It looks very still and quiet. Alright. There's all the mangroves there. They're all down in the water. So we're coming back out of this little spot where we came in. Alright. Coming into another inlet, and looks like there's a hut up here and a little garden down by the water there. And so this is where they have the garden and they have a hut that they can rest in or something. But it looks like some stuff planted over there. And there's another hut over there too. And it's got like a rock retainer and a boat there. So yeah.
Perfect crocodile habitat.
The boat looks pretty old though. Boat looks derelict.
Yeah, no feet dangling over, please.
No.
In fact,
want to be the
stay
one.
away from the edge.
Yeah.
They tell stories about
Looks
for
like they're
generations.
There's a little chicken wandering around over there, but that's the only wildlife I see so far.
Yeah, I don't know if the roof is made that way or it just came down. Yeah, the boat looks pretty old. We got this one here, and now we're going to back out. But it's a really nice little area, very quiet here. Hilly, if you're going to walk anywhere, you got to go up and over the hill. So, yeah, to get over here, you got to go up here and down the other side, I guess, from the main village. Okay. And there's one of our sister Zodiacs that are investigating the same area. And we're gonna, like ships passing in the night, this will be Zodiacs passing in the day. There we go. Uh-oh. Maybe you have to do a tow here.
Ahoy there.
Yes. Looks like this must be the caretakers or the owners of those huts that we saw. And they're coming back up here. And how are you? Hello. Alright, alright. Good. We got the longboat there on that one. And we got another Zodiac here. And we got our sister ship in tow back there. Oh, alright. Here we're in another little inlet. There's some buildings here, along here. No clothes on the clothesline. We saw a chicken there. So, a little shallow here.
And a dog.
There's the pup over there, giving us a couple barks. It's a little deeper right here. But...
There's a big one right to our,
Alright. Oh, two dogs.
Two dogs. Well, you gotta have a male and a female.
Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Getting back out of the shallow water now. There's the old ship out there. And we're still going to be cruising around with the old Zodiac here. Okay. Well, I'm on the Zodiac here. You can see me. And we're cruising along here. The ship is in back of us. We got about another 10 minutes before we're going to head on back. And my back's bothering me a little bit here, so starting to ache. So should be heading back and get some R&R in, and then dinner time coming up. But we're going out here, just moving along here, all the way here. We got all of our other peeps on board here. Oh, we picked up a few more passengers from the other Zodiac, but we're all back here. Okay, Ed Getley signing out. Bye-bye.